caused by any pathogens or any agents. So first of all, I want to differentiate between normal cell and cancerous cell. So normal cell shows the property of contact inhibition, while cancerous cell which doesn't show that type of property, and because of that, what happens? Tumors start to form. So here normal cells there is no tumor, but due to undifferentiation there is one like mass of cells which is called as tumor. This is stage 1, which is also called as localized cancer. And after what happens, slowly and gradually tumor cells start developing, and this is second stage of cancer, and which is very advanced cancer, like we can say that. And third one is cancer where tumor get like growth very properly and mass of tumor will get increased. After what happens, stage 4 will be there, and that stage is called as metastasis stage. Here the tumor will get spread throughout the whole body and different organs will get affected, and this stage is not completely curable, and like we can say that this is last stage. Tell something about carcinogens. Carcinogens is the factors through which cancer occurs. Everyone has normal cells and they are in inactivated stage, but if we like consume that those carcinogens, they will get activated and we can say that that is cancerous cell. So I want to tell something about carcinogens. There are 3 types of carcinogens. First one is physical, second is chemical, and third one is biological. In physical there are 2 types of radiations: ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiations. As usually we see that when someone go to doctor to do X-ray or like UV rays, gamma rays, that all will cause cancer in our body. Another one is chemical. By consuming chemical like tobacco and drugs and all, that will also cause cancer. Third one is biological. There is one virus which cause cancer, which is called as viral oncogene, which affect our cell, which is proto-oncogene, and will get converted into oncogenes, which is called as cancerous cell. So there are so many type of treatments for cancer. First one is surgery, second is radiation therapy, third one is chemotherapy. And like in chemotherapy, there is like with the help of chemicals and medicines, doctors will treat us. And fourth one is immunotherapy. In immunotherapy, doctors will give us alpha interferons, and which boost our immune system, and which will capitalize our like T lymphocytes and B lymphocyte cells, which is a part of our immune system. That's it.